call that? You're gonna call that a penalty? What? Come on! Come on! Woof! 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 Hey. Hey, what gives? We need to be going. Jets? Where's the game being played? It's a home game. It's been awesome so far. Grab a seat. You know we're going to be late. We've been watching for an hour. Well, can we be going now? When do we need to be there? An hour ago? Hurry. I need to get home and change. It's lunch, right? It'll be formal. Yeah, it's going to be how the game starts in 10 minutes.
Penggunaan kata being dalam bahasa Inggris terkadang membingungkan. In this first part of a two-part series, we will look at be, being, and being. Kesalahan yang sering terjadi adalah I will be go soon atau I have been gone to Paris. Ini dua-duanya salah. Kalimat yang benar adalah I will be going soon dan I have gone to Paris saja. Menggunakan untuk menyatakan sesuatu dalam waktu yang akan datang dengan will. Will dengan kata sifat.
You know we're going to be late. It'll be formal.
We will be late. It will be dark soon. She will be angry if you don't call. Atau kata benda.
When do we need to be there? Yeah, it's going to be how the game.
She will be a doctor. He will not be a member of the team. Atau kata kerja, tetapi perhatian, kata kerja adalah bentuk continuous tense. Jadi harus disertai dengan verb ing. He will be coming soon. It will be raining tomorrow. She will not be coming to the party.
We need to be going.
Been digunakan dengan bentuk present perfect tense to talk about things that you have been doing until now. I have been waiting for a long time. They have been living in Hong Kong for 1 year.
Home game. It's been awesome so far.
Atau past perfect tense, things that you were doing until some point in the past. I had been eating when they arrived. She had been busy yesterday. Atau passive tense. The carpet had been cleaned this morning. The house has been painted. Being is used only in the passive continuous tense. The lesson is being explained by the teacher. The package is being sent now. My phone was still being fixed when I arrived at the shop.
Where's the game being played?
Three interesting bits of common spoken English in this video are what gives, grab a seat, and change. What gives is kind of like, why are you doing that? And the person in the video sedikit marah di dalam situasi ini. Kenapa kamu melakukan seperti ini?
Hey, what gives?
Grab a seat is just a simple, friendly way to say, sit down.
It's been awesome so far. Grab a seat.
And finally, change. Biasanya, kita mengatakan seperti ini dengan bentuk pendek daripada change clothing, ganti pakaian. Kita bilang change saja, dan ini berarti change clothing.
Hurry, I need to get home and change. What are you doing? What a joke! What, are you gonna call that? You're gonna call that a penalty? What? Come on! Come on! Woof! 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 Hey. Hey, what gives? We need to be going. Jets? Where's the game being played? It's a home game. It's been awesome so far. Grab a seat. You know we're going to be late. We've been watching for an hour. Well, can we be going now? When do we need to be there? An hour ago. Hurry, I need to get home and change. It's lunch, right? It'll be formal. Yeah, it's going to be another game start in 10 minutes.